Welcome to another tutorial from Play Simple Chords. In this video I'm going to cover the gospel chords and progressions applied to the song Blessed Assurance, and this time will be in the key of C major. Let's look at the scale and the chords for the key of C major. C is 1, D is 2, E is 3, F4, G5, A6, B7, and then back to C. In this tutorial for Blessed Assurance, we'll be using all of the chord progressions shown in this table. We'll be using the 2-5-1 going to the A minor 7, and we'll be using the 2-5-1 going to the F major, and we'll use part of the 2-5-1 going to the 2. We'll only use the E minor 7 and the A7 flat 5, and in this case the E minor 7 will be E minor 7 flat 5. So let's get started. So let's take a look at the chords and progressions that I used. Now the song opens up with Blessed Assurance, Jesus is mine, oh what a foretaste of glory divine. Now, that's the first part of the verse. And what I open up with is a G13 sus chord, then to a G7 flat 9, a G sus 4, and then a C chord. And we walk up with G over D, and then we have a C add 2 with an E in the bass. Now, we basically chorded the melody, so it's so for bless, we have this G13 sus, or we can play it like this: blessed assurance. Now we're going to go to Jesus is mine. So what do? We played a D minor 7 for G, and then E diminished. You could do E diminished, or you can just do a straight E minor. I like the sound of the diminished because it's a little different. So you go Jesus is, and then we're playing the F major 7, and then we go right back to C major. Now you can hold this chord, or you can just throw this little filler in. So that was, so you end up with an F over A, back to C. So after we play this, we're going to play this progression. Oh, what a foretaste of glory divine. And what we played there was a typical 2-5-1 that would sound like this. But since we're using the melody as our guide, we're still playing the 2-5-1s, but we're not using all of the notes that you could use. We're selecting the notes this time around. So we're chording the melody notes. So it's oh, what a foretaste. So following that melody, we'll play G major add 2 with a B in it, E augmented, and then we'll play this A minor. Foretaste, G over D, and then we'll do this gospel walk over D. And then back to C. Oh, excuse me, back to G. So again, that walk was and the G. So we start with the air of salvation. We're going to play this chord. What you actually have is an F diminished chord with a major 7. So here's your F minor chord. You're making it an F diminished, and you're adding this major 7 and playing that with an A flat in the bass. So then you walk down the melody, and then you play this E6, C6 rather. And then we're gonna purchase of God. And for God, we're playing an E minor 7 flat 5. And then we're going to play, that's for born of his spear. We're playing the F major 6. And then we're going to play a B flat 9, spear it. And then we're going to go down to washed in his blood. And those are the chords for the verse. We start the chorus off with this. This is my story. And then this is my song. Play this little piece like we did in the beginning. And then we play this piece like we did in the beginning. Praising my Savior. And then we play this. And then we'll play this little build up. Story. Then back to this is my song. Song. Play this again. And then we do this walk that we did in the beginning. add this. Thank you for watching my tutorials. Simple chords are the building blocks for making advanced chords. And I hope you find that these tutorials are helpful to you on your musical journey. Please like, subscribe, and share these tutorials with others who have a desire to learn how to play music at the piano. I look forward to sharing other tutorials